For today, we are going to tackle about variations. Ano nga ba kapag sinabi nating variation sa mathematics? In our day-to-day activities, we encounter certain types of functional relationships that exist between two or more variables. Yun nga, when we talk about relationships between variables, yun ang sinasabi nating variations. There are several types of variations. The first type of variation is what we call direct variation. Kailan ba natin masasabing ang isang equation ay isang direct variation? There is direct variation whenever a situation produces pairs of numbers in which their ratio is constant. This type of variation can be expressed as y equals kx, which is read as y varies directly as x, or y is directly proportional to x, where the variable k represents the constant of variation. Paano nga ba ang pag-solve ng direct variation? I will give you a 3-step method na pwedeng sundin para sa mas organized as mas madaling pagsasolve. Let's say for example, y varies directly as x. If y equals 35 when x equals 7, find y when x equals 2. Yung first step natin is to express the given statement as an equation of variation. So, since it said that y varies directly as x, we can express it as y equals kx. Our second step is to determine the value of the constant. We are going to substitute the first pair of values given to the equation we have written in step 1. So, substituting 35 to y and 7 to x, we can solve for the value of k by dividing both sides by 7. Thus, the value of the constant k is 5. And the last step is obtaining the value asked for. Again, we are going to substitute values to the equation in step 1. Using the second given and the constant obtained in step 2, we will have y equals 5 times 2, and by multiplying the two numbers, we can find the value of y, which is equal to 10. And that's it. Let's have another one. Let's say a varies directly as b, and a equals 12 when b equals 4. Find a when b equals 12. Again, by following the 3 steps expressed as variation statement, we have a equals kb. Then, to find the constant, substitute the first set of values. We have 12 equals k times 4, and by dividing both sides by 4, the value of the constant would be 3. Lastly, substitute the second set of values. We have a equals 3 times 12. By multiplying the two values, we found out the value of a, which is equal to 36. Okay, for your practice exercises, solve for the following. Number 1, b varies directly as d, and b equals 28 when d equals 7. Find b when d equals 3. Number 2, m varies directly as p, and m equals 36 when p equals 9. Find m when p equals 3. And number 3, y varies directly as x, and y equals 42 when x equals 6. Find y when x equals 5.